Hey guys, today we're not just reading a product description, we're testing it live. In front of us is a sniping tool for Solana, Pump Fund Sniper Bot. I promise, by the end of the video you'll know what this site can do, what hidden features live in the menus, and whether it's worth trying yourself. And yes, in the first minute I'll honestly tell you what I like about the service. Let's go. You want to get into new listings first, but you don't take anyone's word for it? Perfect. Today I'll show you how it's done automatically. The site looks professional, the UI is fast, and the feature set is exactly what you need for aggressive sniping. Quick transactions, auto take profit stop loss, and, importantly, a handy referral system. First impression, built for getting the job done. A bit of honesty up front, I like tools that don't shout "we're amazing," but instead give you real useful buttons. This one does just that. Everything is logical, buttons don't jump around, and in the first steps it's clear where to click. But we won't trust words. I'll show you the process. Today we're using a modest amount to demonstrate the mechanics without excess risk. We connect Phantom. The site offers several wallet options: Phantom, Solflare, and others. I pick Phantom, grant the minimal permissions, and land on the trade configuration screen. Here's what we see. Min-max trade size. Slippage tolerance, 3%. On fast listings you sometimes need a little more, but we'll start cautious. Take profit, 40% to catch a quick pump. Stop loss, 20% to protect against crashes. Auto delay, gas priority. I set high priority because in sniping every millisecond counts. I do everything live, and I recommend play with these sliders. They shape how your strategy behaves. I press Start Sniping. You can already see the logs, scanning, and so on. I comment out loud. The bot checks the contract for suspicious functions, looks at owners, liquidity, and past activity. It's not magic, it's proper automation. Now the bot is in the pre-transaction stage. If everything's okay, it will send the order itself. While the bot runs, let's walk through the site because there's a lot of useful stuff. Dashboard, your stats, PMPL, trade history, success rate. Great for analysis. Referral, partner program, a simple panel. Create your link, see who registered, and how much you've earned. There are tiers and bonuses, a great tool if you run a channel or a large community. Support, WAR 24/7. Live chat, the site promises round-the-clock support, live chat and ticketing. Important if something goes wrong during a wave. Now I'll step away and get on with other things while the bot does its job. I'll be back in a few minutes to wrap up. We finished the bot run. It's closing all trades. You can see the result on screen. Quick word on risks. Pumps and scams are part of the crypto game. An Autobot helps, but it doesn't make you immune to risk. Always enable stop loss, check the logs, and don't chase every idea. But why try Pump Fund Sniper Bot? Because it saves time, automates routine checks, and provides useful analytics tools. Especially valuable for anyone who doesn't want to sit in front of their screen 24/7. If you liked it, link in the description. Try a small amount, learn the settings, check the referral program, and if everything's good, scale up. Personally, I appreciate the thoughtful interface and feature set, but the decision is yours.